Audio Jungle. This is High-Tech News TV News. Chennai launched to set up its first experience hub in Tamil Nadu, giving riders access to Matter AERA, India's first geared electric motorbike. Chennai does not just move, it endures, evolves, and powers ahead. Known for its engineering prowess and deep-rooted connection with automobiles, the city has long been at the heart of the India's mobility story. Today, that legacy takes a new turn with the launch of Era 5000 Plus, India's first geared electric motorbike. The launch marks a major moment for Matter for electric mobility powerhouse behind the Era. The company now brings its flagship motorbike to Tamil Nadu capital Chennai, designed and built entirely in the India. Era introduced Hypershift, a 4-speed manual gearbox developed especially for electric motorbikes. It brings back of the joy of the shifting gears, something riders have always loved, while delivering the quiet power, smooth torque, and efficiency of an electric priced at the industry 1,93,826. The Era is open for bookings at www.matter.in. About this, Mr. Arun Pratap Singh, founder and group CEO of Matter Tamil Nadu, is already a manufacturing powerhouse. Now it's time to make an even powerhouse too. It's a proud moment to bring Matter's revolutionary experience to Chennai. After that, Mrs. Aruna Das, dealer principal Matter Experience Hub Chennai, said, the Era 5000 Plus is also India's first electric bike to come with a lifetime battery warranty, ensuring peace of mind for riders whether they are gliding through Mount Road, cruising on the easier, and navigating weekend traffic. Matter Motors Experienced Hub located at plot number 24 and 25, Sholinganallur Main Road, Shantinagar Layout, Perumbakam, Chennai.